Hey friends. Hey friends, so I'm making some pancakes for my daughter. And I'm about to make me some coffee, my ISO coffee. And, I speak to a lot of people, which I'm grateful for, friends, because when I used to struggle in my business, it's like nobody called me, nobody texted me, nobody emailed me, nobody inboxed me, or nothing, right? So, you know what? I feel grateful that people call me, they watch my videos, they follow me on social media, and they're like, Tanisha, I got to do what you're doing, right? So this lady called me and she said, making money is hard, right? And I said to her, why? Why is making money so hard for you? And she said she's been working for about 10 years, for about 12 hours, a day, for the last like 10 years. And she said it just seems like it's a cycle that she can't, seem to break. And I said to her, right, I told her to watch my Instagram live. And I told her that at the end of the day, right, you got to understand where money comes from. Money doesn't come from a job. You will never achieve any type of financial independence on a job, right? So she said, well, where does money come from? And I told her, I said, money comes from people, right? People that, feel like they want to exchange with you are the people that are going to do what you do, right? So I said to her, you have to, understand what money truly is. Money is only, friends, I love this cross in my ceiling. So I said, you got to really understand where money comes from, right? Money comes from people. People have to see value for you and that other person to exchange, right? So she said, how does she do that, right? I said, well, you got to have a business. People got to like you. People got to trust you. And, you got to be able to exchange with people. And she said for the last, I think, 20 years, she's been working, I think, as a nurse. And she said she don't have no money in the bank. No money saved anywhere, friends. Guess what? 98% of people are just like her. Okay? They're working, and they don't have nothing to show for it but a whole bunch of bills and a whole bunch of crap. Right? So I told her, you got to change your mind. You got to change, you got to shift, right, your mindset to be able to understand where money comes from, how to attract money, right, how to look for money making things, and how to attract money making ideas, right? I told my friend the other day, I said, I'm always thinking of ways to make money. My mind is always growing, right? I'm always thinking of ways to grow, my money. I said, at the end of the day, money is everywhere, right? I checked it out to my list a while ago, right? And I said, money is everywhere, friends. But if we have this closed mind, we won't see it. But if we have this open mind, we will be able to see it, friends. 98% of people, friends, are like her. They work, and they never have nothing to show for it. And all they do now is hope, pray, and wish for a raise at their job. That's not how it works, friends. That's why you got to understand, right? Tai Lopez said this. He said, money just don't fly out the air. If you're open-minded, yeah, money will start to flow to you, right? If you're open-minded, right? If you're open to investing in yourself, if you're open to starting a business, if you're open to investing, right? So now I'm talking more about investing because I'm doing more investing, right, than just starting a business, because now I realize I could just grow my money that I had. Right? So it's not about, friends, you're working more hours to make more money, friends. It's about understanding what money is, how money can take you and your family to another level, okay? How financial freedom is our only hope, how getting wealthy is a worthy goal that we need to be focused on and trying to achieve, and not be slaves, friends, to our jobs for the rest of our lives, friends. See, it's my duty to tell you that you're not making enough money and that you need to start a business part-time. It's my duty, right, to make sure every day that I'm living the lifestyle that I want, right, so that I can inspire others. It's my duty to get up every day and be grateful. Every single day, friends, to get up and be grateful and happy and healthy and whole and rich. Every day. It is my duty to get up and do that, friends, right? So you got to take on a mission and say, what is my duty? How am I going to help people? How can I learn how to exchange with people? But first, you got to change your mind, right? So if you're interested in changing your mind, right, my money mindset class, right, I'm using Tony Robbins' book. Okay, I'm using Tony Robbins' book, Money Master the Game. Okay, you might as well get that book now. Okay, then you join my group. Right, my group is $97. We do a 30-day, 4-week class, and I'm showing you how to attract money. I'm showing you how to think about money, how to find ways, to make money, how to have people exchange money with you. Right? How to have an open mind for money. Okay? There's so many ways, friends. How to look in your house for money. Right? All these things. And then what are the relationships that you have as resources that can also help you get money? A lot of people don't even have a friend they can call to get $200 or $2,000 from. It's crazy, right, friends? You got to change your circle. There's no way that you've been on earth this long and everybody that you know, you can't even borrow $200 or $2,000 from them. That's crazy, right? At least, I could call a few people and say, you know what? If I'm in a hole or whatever, I need $2,000, I can hit them up, right? So you got to expand, friends, right? So that by the time you retire at 55, 60, you could be chilling, right? You could be traveling, right? You could be going places, going to events. That's why I tell people, start a network marketing company. Start TLC, okay? Start TLC, because TLC, we have things for you to plug into. We have events for you to go to, and we allow you to travel. Now, when you retire, now you can have this to look forward to, right? Now you can travel. Now you can do your TLC business. Most people that retire sit on their couch, watch Jerry Springer or Maury or Atlanta Housewives all day, and then 10 years go by, like, oh, what did I do? You did absolutely nothing. Just like you did nothing your whole life working. Now you did nothing for the rest of your life, friends. When do we wake up and say, I need to change? I'm telling you, friends, I had this aha moment 6 years ago when I was broke. I said, I can't do this no more. This don't make sense. My kids deserve better. I deserve better. Who wakes up? Who wakes up? That's how it works, guys. So money is not hard. It's actually easy once you understand where money comes from and how money works. Right? So join TanishaMarie.com, guys. Make sure you register for my class. Okay, starts in April, right? We're registering now. Starts in April, we're registering right now, friends. Okay? Understand how to change your mind, how to attract money, and how to have other flows, of income coming to your household, friends. So have a great day.